Let's create a sensitive output. Go back to the output file. Create here output. And the problem is I don't have any sensitive variable or value which I want to hide, but I will take something from the policy string, and it will be policy string ID. The description will be policy ID of IAM policy close it, policy string, copy the name, paste it here. Sensitive will be false, but I will make it true a bit later. And for the value, I need, okay, I close that right side, split the view. I need to go to the documentation. Here I need to search for policy. It's very slow in searching. Let me just copy AWS YAML policy value from the right, search it here. In the resources, it's important I open the policy, and in the attribute reference, I will use the policy ID as an output. It is AWS IAM policy, policy string, policy ID. That will be the output. Let's now try to run Terraform apply STG. I have a message. You can apply this plan to save the new output values to Terraform state without changing any real infrastructure, because I don't make any modification in the infrastructures. That's the policy ID. Now I want it to be sensitive. How I do it? First, I press Ctrl+C to cancel Terraform. I clear the terminal. And you know how I will do it. I will just write here true. Now, if I run Terraform apply again, var environment equals stg, enter. Look, policy string ID is a sensitive value. I have write yes to apply. Let's check Terraform output. And you see, it's sensitive. It will not print to us the ID. But if I write Terraform JSON, look, it tells me it's indeed a sensitive value, but you can see here the actual value. It's not hidden. And if I write Terraform output policy string ID, enter, I also see the value. And if I use the raw, I also see the value without double quotes. Let's check Terraform state file, because it is important to know. That's the file. It is important to know that if you mark something as sensitive, it doesn't mean it's hidden in the state file. So if someone gets your state file, that person will see all your sensitive values. Be careful. Let's commit the changes. I add this change to Git and write the commit message. Created sensitive output. That's ready. Commit.